Welcome to this NC Live crash course on NoveList Plus, a powerful reader's advisory database designed to connect readers with books they'll love. Whether you're working with a mystery fan looking for their next favorite series, a teenager exploring a new genre, or someone just getting back into reading, NoveList makes it easy to offer personalized recommendations. To find NoveList Plus, we'll start on the NC Live homepage. If you are accessing our resources remotely, don't forget to log in with your library. The easiest way to find NoveList is by using the Browse All Databases link and then jumping directly to the End section. We're going to start by browsing the homepage before getting into searching and looking for some supplementary resources. First up, the Books with Buzz section highlights titles that have been receiving recognition, whether that may be on popular talk shows, podcasts, or news programs. You can click on the titles to see which programs have mentioned them and during what month. If you scroll down further, you can see a sample of curated lists. You can find all curated lists by clicking on the tab on the left. The For Fans Of lists are great for developing a book display that ties into a popular movie or TV show. This section is a good option for library patrons who just want to browse for books without doing extensive searching. A new feature on the homepage is Explore Titles by Story Element. This tool helps readers discover books based on specific aspects of storytelling that they enjoy most, like tone, writing style, pace, or character. Instead of searching by genre alone, this feature allows you to click on what makes a book engaging for you. For example, you might be looking for a fast-paced thriller with a gritty tone, or a character-driven novel with a reflective writing style. Simply click on the story elements that appeal to you, and NoveList will generate a list of titles that match your preferences. It's a great way to introduce readers to new books that align with what they like about reading, even if they're not sure what genre they want next. The search box in NoveList is a good starting point when you have something specific in mind, like the title of a book, the name of an author, or a series. It works just like a traditional search engine, giving you access to detailed information about the item you're searching for. It's perfect for answering on-the-spot patron questions or starting a deeper reader's advisory conversation. The advanced search in NoveList lets you refine your results using powerful filters like reading level, lexile range, or media mentions, helping you find just the right books for your patrons. Whether you're looking for titles appropriate for a specific age or grade, or trying to track down books featured on Good Morning America, advanced search makes it easy to connect readers with books that match their needs and interests. Another great feature of NoveList is the ability to filter your results by age range, whether you're looking for books for adults, teens, ages 9 through 12, or under 9. NoveList makes it easy to find titles that are developmentally appropriate and engaging for readers at every stage. You can use the advanced search or click on filters after running a search to narrow results by age group. This is perfect for educators, caregivers, or library staff doing reader's advisory for children and teens. One thing to note, NoveList does have nonfiction book recommendations, but these are more likely to be popular biographies, true crime, history, science. For example, you can use the curated list for nonfiction to find some relevant titles. Now that you know the ways to search, let's look at an individual book page. There are 3 types of item pages in NoveList: book pages for individual titles, author pages, and series pages. In this example, we will search for the Emily Henry book, Funny Story. You can see the Goodreads rating, and below that, the publisher reviews and other information about this book. At the bottom, you can click on those appeal factors to narrow down what about the book appeals to you, and then search for more titles directly from this page. Another option is to look at the read-alikes on this page, which is a good option for patrons who prefer to browse NoveList on their own. One of the most helpful tools in NoveList are the genre guides. These guides give you a quick, expert-curated overview of a specific genre like mysteries, romance, science fiction, or historical fiction. Each guide breaks down what defines the genre, popular themes or tropes, key titles and authors to watch, and recommended searches. These are especially useful if you're helping a reader explore a new genre or if you want to improve your own reader's advisory skills. You can find the genre guides under the Quick Links menu or by searching Genre Guide in the NoveList search bar. All right, let's look at the highlights for using NoveList. Readers can enjoy searching in NoveList for their favorite books, authors, and series to explore more read-alikes. They can also narrow these recommendations by age range to suit younger readers. Curated lists help you create book displays, grab-and-go lists, lead book clubs, and carry out other library activities with ease. And finally, genre guides can bring you up to speed with unfamiliar genres and improve your ability to provide expert readers advisory to patrons. Links to additional training resources can be found in the description below. Thanks for viewing this NC Live crash course. If you are interested in learning more about our resources and skills that are relevant to librarianship, subscribe to the NC Live YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below.